Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best home appliances is probably one of the most essential investments for modern living. They streamline daily chores, boost comfort, and significantly improve our quality of life. From the kitchen to the laundry room, these devices are designed to make our homes more efficient and enjoyable. In this video, we'll explore the best options available, helping you make informed decisions for your home. Number 5. Fullstar Pro Chopper, Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. This is the original Pro Chopper. It's incredibly easy to use, set up, and clean. Save time and energy with this large-capacity vegetable chopper, perfect for any kitchen. The rust-resistant blades make meal prep a breeze. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, and more with ease. The blade stays sharp for smooth, crisp results. The soft grip handle ensures controlled chopping, while the non-skid base keeps it steady. The built-in tray keeps your counters clean and mess-free. Cleanup is a snap. Simply toss the entire chopper in the dishwasher. No scrubbing is needed, making your life easier. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this is a must-have. It's versatile and perfect for any meal, from family dinners to holiday feasts. Prep has never been easier. What we like? This vegetable chopper is a game-changer for anyone who wants to eat healthy but is short on time. It allows you to dice vegetables quickly and efficiently. If you're looking for a way to streamline your meal prep and enjoy fresh, home-cooked meals with minimal effort, you should consider this. What people say. This chopper is amazing. It makes meal preps so much faster and easier. The blades are super sharp and cut everything evenly, from onions and peppers to zucchini and potatoes. I love that it also includes a spiralizer attachment for veggie noodles. This chopper has saved me so much time. I've timed the results, and chopping the same amount of vegetables with a knife versus using this chopper was a difference of 10 minutes. This is a very nice product that genuinely cuts vegetables finely and efficiently. I've used it for onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more, and it handles them all with ease, saving a lot of prep time. Number 4. Zulay Pink Milk Frother with Titanium Motor. This milk frother makes coffee shop-style recipes at home incredibly easy. The powerful motor and whisk create rich foam in seconds. You can easily level up your everyday warm or cold coffee, latte, cappuccino, or matcha with it. This matcha whisk features a comfortable grip and a simple on-off button. From your morning latte to whisking eggs, it can do it all. You can carry this portable milk frother to make coffee anytime, anywhere. This drink mixer is built to last with rust-resistant stainless steel and a sleek nylon body. It is powered by 2 XAA batteries and works on all types of milk, such as oat, soy, almond, and other dairy items. It will be your coffee accessory for years. To clean this hand frother, simply place the whisk under water and briefly turn it on to get rid of any residue. Then wipe the handle with a damp cloth. It can easily fit in your bag or in your kitchen drawer when not in use. We love and take pride in this milk foamer and back it up with a lifetime guarantee. If there are any issues, just contact us, and we will make it right. Foam is where this frother is. What we like? This milk frother creates rich, velvety foam in seconds, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. It's also super portable, so you can enjoy your favorite coffee drinks anywhere. If you like the idea of barista-quality coffee at home or on the go, you should consider this. What people say. The refrigerator's ice maker is a game-changer, consistently producing clear, fresh ice. The dishwasher's multiple wash cycles and adjustable racks make it incredibly versatile for different types of dishes and loads. The oven's convection feature ensures even baking and roasting, and the digital display is easy to use. Number 3. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. This blender boasts 1000 watts of professional power. It can easily crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. It's perfect for all your blending needs. The 72-ounce pitcher is great for making large batches. You can create frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the whole family with it. It has a 64 ounces max liquid capacity. This technology delivers unbeatable power. The blades pulverize and crush through ice, fruits, and vegetables in seconds. It makes blending effortless. Blast ice into snow quickly with this blender. You can then blend your favorite ingredients into delicious frozen drinks. It's like having a resort at home. A recipe guide is included to provide inspiration. You can find ideas for drinks and dishes. It helps you explore the full potential of the blender. The pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Cleanup is as simple and easy as using the blender. It saves you time and effort. You'll receive a 1000-watt motor base and a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with a lid. It has everything you need to get started. It's a complete blending solution. What we like. This blender boasts professional-grade power, effortlessly crushing ice and blending tough ingredients. Its large pitcher is perfect for making smoothies and frozen drinks for the whole family. If you are looking for a powerful blender that can handle anything from smoothies to frozen cocktails, you should consider this. What people say. The 1000-watt motor is super powerful, and it crushes ice in seconds for perfect smoothies and frozen drinks. The large capacity pitcher is great for family use, and cleanup is surprisingly easy. This blender design is the best as the blades grab everything from the bottom through close to the top and mixes everything. Number 2. Home Hero 12-piece Black Kitchen Knife Set. This black kitchen knife set includes a variety of knives, from paring to chef knives. It's a complete set for all your kitchen needs. They are ready to use. The knives come with individual sheaths to keep them sharp for years. These sheaths also make storage safer and more convenient when not in use. Made with durable stainless steel, this set is designed for slicing, dicing, and chopping. The sheaths help protect the blades, ensuring they stay sharp. The non-stick coating prevents food from sticking to the blades. This feature makes both slicing and cleaning much easier. It's a great time saver. Designed with an ergonomic handle, this knife set prioritizes safety. The handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, ensuring safe handling. What we like. This knife set comes with individual sheaths to keep the blades sharp and protected. The non-stick coating makes both slicing and cleaning extra easy. If you are looking for a complete knife set that prioritizes safety and ease of use, you should consider this. What people say. The pizza knife works great on a crisp crust, the rounded edge snaps through the crust. On a softer crust, the serrated edge seems to work well. The bread knife is pretty standard, but that means it cuts through bread just the way I want. The chef's and paring knives are both decent and work good for cutting fruits, vegetables, meats, etc. The high-carbon stainless steel blades are incredibly sharp and cut through everything with ease. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to grip, making each knife easy to use, even for extended periods. The set comes with a sharpener, which is a great bonus, ensuring the knives stay in top condition. The sleek black design of the knife block looks modern and fits perfectly in my kitchen. Number 1. Dash Mini Rice Cooker Steamer, pink. This mini rice cooker makes meal prep a breeze. Just add water and ingredients, then press the cook button. In under 20 minutes, your meal is ready. It features a keep warm function, so you never have to worry about overcooking. This ensures a perfect and healthy meal every time. The indicator light lets you know when it's ready. Perfect for small spaces, dorms, or travel. This compact cooker is a must-have for anyone on the go. Plus, it comes in fun colors to match any kitchen. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker comes with a rice paddle, measuring cup, and a removable non-stick pot. It also includes a recipe book to get you started. This product is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. You can be confident in its quality and performance. Get yours today. What we like. This mini rice cooker makes cooking rice, grains, and even oatmeal a breeze, with a simple set it and forget it design. It also has a keep warm function to prevent overcooking. If you have a small kitchen, live in a dorm, or just want a convenient way to cook, you should consider this. What people say. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for cooking small portions of rice, oatmeal, or even steaming vegetables. The non-stick pot makes cleanup a breeze, and the keep warm function ensures my food stays at the perfect temperature until I'm ready to eat. It makes perfect long-grain white rice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.